What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bly back here at YB Worx. As you can see, we are in the minivan. If you can't tell from my fit right now, we are fresh out of the workhouse, fresh off the grind, baby. About to get back to the grind a little bit. Looks like today we are going to go get the tires for this thing. They actually showed up at the house. I ordered them off Amazon really cheap, as this is a budget van build. So remember that, guys, this is a budget minivan build. And the tires I got off Amazon cost $366. Hopefully I'll have that popping up on the screen right now, and so you guys can see that, a little proof. Now, them things are sitting at the house, and I have nothing special, obviously, but I got them for $366, and we're going to go pick them up at the house now, pop them in the back of the van, and go see what it's gonna cost me to get them put on the vehicle. Hopefully not too much, but I will check back with you guys in just a minute. Stay tuned for that. And also, make sure you stay tuned. I have a little bit of a surprise at the end of the video, all right? So make sure you stay tuned for that. It's gonna show you what's next for the budget van build, okay? Let's do this. Well, as you can see here, we got the tires in the van. Nothing special, like I told you before. Just see if you can see it. Westlake SA07 Sports. Nothing special, but like I said, cheap budget build, baby. Alright, guys, so here we are. You guys see that M&M tires in Shelby, North Carolina. These guys will hook you up, man. Let me tell you. They got stuff sitting out here everywhere. They do good work, great customer service. $60 for all 4 tires getting put on, man. You know, there's nothing wrong with that at all. And look, man, look at what all they got out here. And you can come get you a set of used wheels, get your tires put on real quick, nice and quick service. These guys are the I will hit you back. I will see you guys when we get back to the house. Get these tires on here now. Yes. Alright, so we are back. I got the wheels on. Obviously made it back. Yesterday I forgot to record the rest of that, but here we are the next day. It's alright. Just got off work today. Today we have Nick with us. Say what's up, Nick.
What's up?
So we got the tires on there. We are about to go ahead and do something to the headlights. We'll set you guys up so you can see a little bit of that work. But we're gonna see if we can clean these headlights up, make them a little better. Because if you can see, they are ugly, and it does affect the brightness of the headlight coming out. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can clean those up, and then we'll see what else we can get done today. All right, so stick with us. Make sure you guys hit the like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Like I said before, I got something special to the end, so make sure you stick around.
Alright, so what we're going to do is try and polish these up, clear them up a little bit, make them look better. It's going to take some Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. We're going to rub it on, scrub it in real good, and then we're going to clean that back off and see how good it looks. We may be 2 or 3 applications per headlight depending on the results we get. Let's see what happens.
As you can see, they are pretty dingy. Is that gonna be in your way?
Normally you would want to tape around your headlights if you were really that worried about your paint. We're not too worried about the paint on this. It already needs to be redone. So. spray that again real quick with the hose. Yeah, spray it with the hose just to. Work. That shit made a mess. It should have did something.
Alright, so what we ended up doing, we needed some speed and rotation, and the only thing we had laying around, we had a whole palm sander and some steel wool, some high grit or high fine steel wool, some real fine steel wool. It's real cheap, and it sticks to the velcro of the old sander. Kind of probably ruined it, but I didn't care about the sander. I need a new one anyway. But that got some speed to it. It didn't do too much to the headlights. It does look a lot better than it was, but at the same time they're still pretty dingy. But we can tell that it kind of looks like it's on the inside as well, so we ain't gonna be able to get that. So looks like I'll need some headlights in the future, so I guess stick around and subscribe for that video at some point. Anyway, now we're just gonna get this thing cleaned up a little bit, and then we'll get back with you guys right after that. Alright, so we got Minivan. We just got done cleaning it up a little bit, like I told you guys. We didn't do nothing special. We didn't scrub it down crazy or nothing like that. No detail job. But anyway, guys, we got the new tires on. Wheels cleaned up, looking good. New tires on today's video. We also got the headlights cleaned up pretty decent. They usually, as you guys can see, they look a little better. Let me back up for a second. You guys can see that a little better. So yeah, they look a little better. Like I said before, we're gonna get some new ones at some point, but not right now. This is budget Minivan, so I'm on a budget, like I said. So here we go. New tires everywhere. And remember, guys, I told you to stick around to the end for a surprise. Well, here is the surprise. You guys are gonna have to stick around. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel so you guys can tune in to when we start installing these bad boys. Now, all I'm gonna tell you right now is we have a DS18 GEN-XX 15-inch subwoofer. You guys can pause and read the stats if you want to see the stats. Check out DS18. We like it loud. And the 10 amps bass 3K. Now I'm gonna show you guys what we got. Shout out to Robert over at Resilient Sounds. Check out his YouTube channel over at Real Dude Rec. I'll try to make sure to get the link in the description if it'll let me. Put it in there. There is the amp. Nice and clean looking. Yes. That is clean. I like that. I like that. This is Nick's first reaction to it. He hasn't seen any of it yet. He knew we got it, but he didn't know it was here yet and didn't know he was gonna see it today. So we'll spin that back around. Again, this is the GEN-XX15.4DHE 15-inch subwoofer. And I'm gonna tell you, Nick doesn't even know yet how many we're gonna put in, but all I'm gonna tell you right now is we're putting in more than one. So you'll have to check out the next video. Once again, shout out to Resilient Sounds for hooking me up. Shout out to with a nice price for the budget build, and shout out and go check out Real Dude Rec. Again, I'll have that down in the description. The next video should be the next video. We'll have will be a collaboration with him on his channel and this channel as well. So make sure you check that out. Go ahead and pull them bad boys out there. If you guys can see that, the things look nice. Gotta love some brand new speakers now, you know. Yeah. Ooh. Nice rubber surround.
That is nice though. Look clean.
Go ahead and pull that thing out so you can see that basket. I think Nick would like the basket.
Ooh. Yeah.
Dual 4-ohm 15.
Yeah, I like that color.
I told you you'd like that color.
Dang heavy though.
Yeah. Like I said, you have to tune in to the next video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Tune in to the next video. We will be collaborating with Real Dude Rec again. Check out his YouTube channel, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.